Hi everyone, I'm back with you at last. I get lots of comments about my photographs, about how vibrant and colourful they are. Well, that's mainly down to curves. Let's now head over to Lightroom. I'm assuming you know the basics in Lightroom. Here's one of my food images, my homemade gluten-free cookies. Right, on the right side of the work face you'll see the basics panels. Right, let's head over to the exposure first. The image is a little bit underexposed, so I'm bring up the exposure touch. As you can see though, when the exposure is brought up a little touch, the highlights, they're kind of blown out, so I need to reduce the highlights like so. Possibly bring up the blacks so there's a bit more detail in the blacks because they're very dark. And then I head over to the down to the clarity, which kind of makes the image pop even more. Then let's head right down to the curves adjustment, and then I'll click 3 times on the line. Then I'll apply an S curve. This is where the magic happens actually, as you can see. Before and after, before and after, and that's how my images pop in Lightroom or sometimes in Photoshop. See you next time.